this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Ordinances Ready tool in Family Search. So here I am on familysearch.org, and let's say I'm preparing to go to the temple, but let's say I haven't identified any of my ancestors or relatives that have passed away whose names I could take to the temple to perform those ordinances for them. How many times have you, like me, gone to the temple and used names that were found and submitted by other people? And that's great, but there's a wonderful tool built into familysearch.org, and it's also found in the Family Search app, and it's called Ordinances Ready. Find a person and then make a temple appointment. It's that simple. Now, if you don't see Ordinances Ready here at the right when you sign into Family Search, you can also go here to Temple and select Ordinances Ready, and that should take you to the same place. I can just browse down the page and select Ordinances Type. I would like a male ancestor name, and I would like to perform initiatory. So I select that, and Family Search is now searching my relatives that have passed away, my ancestors, and has found, it looks like, 5 ancestors whose names are ready to be taken to the temple so that they can receive their initiatories. I can even click to view relationship, and that shows me how I am connected to this person. I can click back to also learn more about this person. In this case, I'm going to unselect some of their names, and I'll have just one name selected, and then I'll just go down here and click the button, Take to the Temple. I get some instructions for how to print the family name card for this person, and then I can just click Continue, and it generates a PDF that I can then click to print, and I'll be able to print out this name card on my printer and take it with me to the temple. Next, I could just click here where it says Schedule Temple Appointment and go through that process of reserving a time to attend the temple. Once you've scheduled your appointment and you go and do the temple work, you'll be able to come back to Family Search to the temple drop-down, and you can select Completed, and the people that you have done the work for will show up here in this list. So this is a family name that I did some temple work for just a couple of days ago, and you can see that it's marked as completed, along with the date that it was completed and where. So as you can see, there's almost no excuse at this point for not bringing family names to the temple for temple work. The church has made it about as easy as humanly possible to find those names, to print them out, and take them to the temple. Now let's look at what Ordinances Ready looks like on a smartphone. And the example I'm showing is an iPhone. As you can see, the interface looks a little different, but this is where you can go to find Ordinances Ready, and with just a few taps, you should be able to identify people, relatives who have passed away, whose names you could take to the temple. Please note that I am not a representative of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. These are my own thoughts and experiences that I'm sharing in this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, I would encourage you to share it with other people that you know that may benefit from it. And I hope you'll come back to watch the next episode of Technology for Latter-day Saints.